I just got to move. Take a look at all the shining lights. Nothing beats that view. Will you meet me on the floor tonight? And it's California. I couldn't have warned you, baby. Ooh. Yeah, this place just makes you, kinda makes you want to. Yeah, it makes you want to. I just wanna take one more sip. Drink it and I just can't get enough. Like the sun always crashing in, and the way you look at me, yeah, I think I'm falling in love. Sweet talk, sun-kissed skin. Let's just go all in, 'cause I just got to move. Take a look at all the shining lights. Nothing beats that view. Will you meet me on the floor tonight? And it's California. I couldn't have warned you, baby. Ooh, yeah, this place just makes you, kinda makes you want to. Yeah, it makes you want to. It kinda makes you wanna.
Hello world, tara na, Obra Adventure, simulan na. Travel goals at camping life, sa bawat biyahe good vibes all night. Iba-ibang probinsya sa Pilipinas, bundok, dagat, tanawin na wagaws. Kasama ang family sa bawat lakbay, memories na hindi malilimutan kailanman. Dun sa ilalim ng bituin, bonfire habang hangin ay humahaplos sa skin. Road trip music, sabay kanta, laughter ng baby girl namin na kay saya. Si Keke ang batang palibot, tumatakbo sa buhangin at sa damuhang malambot. Every stop may bagong kwento, adventure namin real at totoo. Come and watch our family camping adventure. Together we explore forever. From mountains high to oceans blue, Obra Adventure is waiting for you.
Good morning mga ka-adventures! Welcome back to our channel! For today, we're going on another family beach camping adventure. And we're going to Pine Lake in San Narciso, Zambales. This will be our first time na mag-beach camp this year in the province of Zambales, but we visited Zambales multiple times. You can also check it on our YouTube, yung mga previous travels and camping adventure namin in Zambales. So together, Mami Z,
Hi!
Keke, hi Ke, Ate,
Hi!
and kasama din namin si
Mio! Say hi, Mio!
our camping dog. So, makakasama nga natin yung sikat fam natin, Lady Camper PH, Ma'am Jo, Beyond the Tent, Sir Joel, JCL's Outdoor and Pastries, Lakaw tayo, and magjo-join din tayo sa outreach ng Dayo headed by Jack Venture, sila Ma'am Jackie and Sir Vin. So, please stay tuned for today's family beach camping adventure, and thank you for supporting our channel. Bye for now.
Bye-bye, Kike!
Bye. Bye, Keke.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later. Bye.
Okay, good morning mga ka-adventure. Time check, 9:30 a.m. At kapapasok nga lang po namin ng SC Tech. So, ito ang daan namin papuntang San Narciso, Zambales. So, estimated travel time namin from Mabalacat, Pampanga, more than 2 hours papunta dun sa San Rafael Elementary School, kung saan kami magjo-join ng outreach program ng Dayo headed by Jack Venture. After that, didiretso namin Pine Lake. Doon kami mag overnight camping for this weekend. So please stay tuned for today's family beach camping adventure, and please continuously support our channel. Please do like, watch, comment, share, and subscribe, and also support our Facebook account, Obrar Adventure. Okay, see you later. Mag-drive muna po kami.
I went down to Nashville, a guitar in the back. I was gonna make it big, make money by the sack. Coming out of Tulsa, a waitress in a bank, a record label man came knocking one day with a paper in his hand. And he said, "Get while the getting is good. There's no reason not to. I really think you should. Just get while the getting is good. This is not
Okay, nandito na tayo. Papasok na tayo sa tunnel.
So get while
Mabalik nga tayo sa province ng Zambales. First time ulit natin this year mag-camp here in Zambales. Last year, naka 5 or 6 yata tayo.
Before I knew what
Campsite.
was going on, it was on the radio.
Okay, palabas na po kami ng SBMA. Time check, 10:25.
While the getting is good, there's no reason not to.
At
Really think you should.
punta na tayong Subic.
While the getting
Okay, so time check, 10:35.
never.
45 minutes papunta doon sa school.
Let's get
So welcome to Subic, gateway to Zambales. So,
just get
balik na tayo dito sa
is good.
Subic, sa Zambales.
Get while the getting is good.
Okay, welcome to San Narciso, home of the Philippine Merchant Academy. So from here, 20 minutes papuntang campsite, 11 kilometers. Dadating tayo ng 12 o'clock. So hindi na nga natin inabot yung outreach program ng Dayo headed by Jack Venture. Kasi late na tayo dumating. So kaya didiretso na tayo ng campsite. So eto na ngayon yung papuntang, eto yung gate.
Ayan na yun.
Ah.
Ako Fernando.
Ah. Sir, good morning po. Tawag doon. Pine Lake po.
Nakabook po kayo?
Ako po nakabook. Ito po yung
Ilan po na kayo? Tatlo?
tatlo lang po. Dalawang adult, dalawang kids, pero yung kids 12 tsaka 2 years old.
Patabi po dyan, tapos pa-check po yung time date kasi sinusundo po.
12?
Okay po.
I'm 12.
12 na siya mo.
Wow, di mo alam birthday ko
Okay, so papunta na kaming campsite, sinundo na nga kami dito. So kailangan nyo tumawag kasi mula dun sa gate, susunduin kayo. At ito yung daan papuntang campsite. So private property nga. Samba Woods.
내게 달려가 날 안아줄 거야 오늘은 말할게 I love you till the end
Ito ano, parang transient.
이렇게 말해줘 I've been waiting for
Private. Ito.
Gusto lang ganyan yung bahay na.
you have no idea I wasn't changing anything 시간을 돌린대도 여기에
May banid ako dito.
Okay, so ito na yung papasok ng campsite.
Parang
Wow, naman. Parang mapanepe, no? Pero beach at saka lake. Dami din nila. Saan kaya sila sojo?
Guys, story.
Baka oo. Ang campsite. Magkakatabi, no? Hindi. 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 May siya naman dito. Asan? Ayun na, Lady Camper.
Mamaya na yung nilala sa sarili. Ayun sa lake.
Hey, good morning mga ka-adventure. Good afternoon na pala. Time check 12:15 PM at kadadating lang namin dito sa Pine Lake at ito nga yung pwesto namin dito. So ito, nasa harap kami ng lake. Ayan, kasama natin doon sila Sir Alan tsaka si Sir Joel, doon sila Ma'am Jo tsaka si Sir Densho. Ayan, doon naman sila Lakaw. Okay, padating pa lang yung Team Dayo at saka Jack Venture. Galing sila dun sa outreach. So hindi na namin naabutan kasi late na kami dumating. So hindi namin nakapag-participate dun sa outreach. So mag-setup muna kami. Ito yung magiging pwesto namin for today. Mamaya natin ikutin yung campsite at magpapalipad ng drone para makita natin yung ganda ng Pine Lake campsite. Okay, good afternoon mga ka-adventure. Time check 5:12 p.m. At nandito nga tayo sa Pine Lake here in San Narciso, Zambales. So ito yung setup natin for today. Ayan. So ito yung setup natin for today. Okay, so we have our banner. Ayan. Yes, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Hi, ate. Hi, Keke. Okay, so ito yung setup natin for today. So we have our bed. And today is Saturday, June 13. Ayan. Okay. We have our kitchen. Mommy's cooking. Ayan. Tocino, kalabaw. Yes. Okay, so ito yung kitchen natin and dining natin. Okay. So, ikutin muna natin yung buong campsite. Tingnan natin yung ganda ng Pine Lake. So, tingnan din natin yung setup ng ibang fellow campers natin. Tingnan natin yung campsite. So, ito yung setup natin for today. Ayan. So, dito, katabi natin, setup ni Sir Densho. Ayan. Ito. Densho and Nora Adventure. So, ito yung setup nila. Ito yung setup ni Ma'am Jo. Ayan. Ayan. Naka-car camp sila. Ayan. Tingnan natin yung setup doon nila Sir Alan. Tsaka nila Sir Joel. Ito yung isang kasama natin. Ang gandang setup nila ng cot tent sila. Ayan. Ito yung kay Sir Joel. Hey sir. Hello. Ito yung setup ni Beyond the Tent. Ayan. One of our Sikat fam. Okay. Ito yung pwesto ni Sir Joel. Ito naman yung Jaycel's Adventures. Ayan. Kaila Sir Alan. So, naka-car camp lang din sila. Dito yung setup nila. Ito yung cot tent ni Lucas. Yan. Ito yung cot tent. Dap, hello! Camp Together TV! Hello! Okay, ito naman yung setup ng dayo. Ay, mga kasama natin. Ito yung setup nila Lakaw. One of our Sikat fam, sila JP. Ito yung setup nila. Yung pang malakasan nilang tent. Ayan. Ito yung setup ng ibang campers. Check muna natin yung CR. CR, check muna tayo. So, ito yung CR nila. Okay, so check muna natin yung shower room. Ito yung shower room. Ayan. Ayan. So, pwede ka mag-shower here. Ayan, may ilaw naman. At nakasemento. Okay, nice naman. Usable. Check natin yung CR. Ito yung for male. Ayan. So, may lalagyan ng sabon, gamit. Ayan. Ito yung CR for male. So, likewise, ito naman yung CR for female. Ayan. So, same. May bidet at may gripo din. So, malakas naman yung water. Water check. Malakas naman yung water. So, yan ang CR here. Ito yung for both male and female. So, malakas naman yung water kasi meron silang Jetmatic dito. Okay, so dito, malapit lang from the campsite, ito yung CR. Ayan. So, ito na yung beach. So, medyo malayo nga lang yung shore. Ayan na yung sunset. So, sakto. Naliligo yung mga kasama natin. Ayan. Yan, naliligo sila.
City lights, keeps me up through the night. We'll leave it all. Wide awake, I hear you call. It's easy if you let it go. We take a stand in the middle of the night. So take my hand, you will never be free. Yeah, run away, run away. I look into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember someone
Pumapayag siya basta si Keke. Madamo pa ko muna. Nasa stage siya na madamo. Alam mo lang yung mga share? Na ganon? Si Keke okay lang sa kanya. Share kayo ang share. Share kayo ang share. Cute!
Kiss mo siya, Keke. Kiss mo si Harry. Yay! Kiss mo si Kuya. Wow.
looking at our goodbyes like I was still alive.
Yes, kung ano.
Beyond our separate ways as we
Star
fade
ng
to
sikat.
But I still miss the way the way
Kailan
you
ka na?
used to
Behave,
feel.
okay? Okay? Express mo siya, ha?
To remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast and let us go? It's time to surrender. Now that it's ended, nothing to say, 'cause guess we've said it all. Now why do we care to dream? Guess we wanna believe that it's not too late. Why do we care to dream? We gotta believe it is not too late.
Good evening mga ka-adventures! Welcome back to our channel. For tonight, we're here in Pine Lake here in San Narciso, Zambales. So, ikaw muna te. What can you say about the place, about the campsite?
The campsite is nice. I'm gonna look at the beach tomorrow, but I don't think I wanna swim though. There's like 2 lakes, and then there's a bridge connected to the lake. Everything's fine, and then for their bathroom is nice actually. Kaso like there's like a little problem. Kasi may warning naman doon sa labas there's a ano sa tawag dun? Soft sand. Kaya baka kapag umulan baka dumalas. Kaso like yun lang. Tapos halos okay lang. My rating 6 out of 10. I don't know. Mainit kasi, sorry.
What can you say about the place?
Maganda yung place kasi ano siya, meron siyang, ay di ko alam yung lake if it's man-made. Pero nakita ko may mga nagfi-fishing. And then tapos may beach siya, and then may lake. So
Maligo kami.
about sa place, may signal naman ng smart dito. Mahina nga lang, pero may signal.
1 to 1 second.
1 to 2 bar. Pero nag-LTE naman din siya at times. I'm not just sure kung sa globe, kung malakas ang globe dito.
Ito na lang.
And then, meron naman kuryente. Magdala lang kayo ng mahabang extension. Pero hindi ko alam kung dun banda sa banda dun na campsite may provision ng kuryente. Pero meron dito banda. And then meron ding water. Meron din may running water, merong CR, pwedeng mag-shower. Maayos naman yung CR nila. And
Nice naman siya.
maganda yung place. Malaking campsite. So, maluwang, sobrang maluwang.
Parang mapanwepe, no?
Para siyang mapanwepe.
Na may beach.
Na may beach. Oo, na pwede. Hindi ko lang sure. Pwede maligo sa beach?
Oo, naligo kami kanina.
Yun.
Malakas yung alon.
Yun lang
Kasi
din.
nga, paano na eh,
Pahapon na.
Hindi, yung tawag doon? Yung,
Low tide. Ay, high tide.
ano na siya,
High tide.
hindi, yung tawag doon pag malapit na yung rainy
Sunset?
season, ang tawag doon?
Maalo ay
Habagat,
Habagat
pahabagat
na.
na kasi.
Habagat
Pero,
na kasi.
sabi ni Sir Dan siya, ganyan daw talaga yung beach. Medyo malakas yung alon.
Yun, actually, we're here celebrating yung birthday ng isa namin kasama sa Sikat Fam, si
Ma'am
Miss
Jackie.
Jackie. Yeah, belated happy birthday, Ma'am Jackie.
Actually, ano to eh,
Outreach
nila,
ng group
ng Dayo.
ng group nila ng Dayo.
hindi lang kami naka-attend kanina, late na kasi kami
Oo,
nakadating
nakapunta.
kasi sa traffic.
Ayun.
Pero nag-outreach sila tapos
And then simple celebration ng birthday ni Ma'am Jackie. And then yun din get together ng Sikat Fam.
Ibang Sikat Fam. Sila,
Si Sir
Lakaw,
Joel. Yeah,
Beyond
Lakaw
the
tayo,
Tent,
Beyond the Tent, Jacel's Pastries.
Outdoor and Adventure. Tsaka
Lakaw tayo, sino ba ba?
Ma'am Jo.
Pala, Lady Campers.
So,
Ayan.
Shout out to Kayeng,
Kayeng.
Wondering, Miss Angie,
Miss,
and
what
Wildscape,
will you say to Tita Misa?
and
What will you say Tita
Sir
Misa?
Aman.
What
I
will you
miss
say?
you,
I miss you, Tita Misa. I miss you, Tita Misa.
Karen.
I miss you, Tita Karen. How about Sir Yang? I miss you, Sir Yang. How about Kuya Jerks? I miss you, Kuya Jerks.
Yung jerks.
Kuya Jerks. How about 10
Ventures.
Ventures? I miss you, 10 Ventures. Yeah.
Maganda yung campsite. At saka
Hi, everybody.
yung place. So, maganda dito sa part namin kasi harap ng lake.
ng lake.
So, maganda din kasi facing ng sunset. No? Kaya maganda.
Sana bukas maganda yung yung dito rin yung mag-face yung sunrise dito
Hindi, syempre,
mag-start.
kasi dun yung sun.
Doon may sana. So sayang naman. Yun, Unfortunately, tomorrow, uwi na kami. We're only overnight camping na kami ngayon. And sa mga susunod pang camping namin, puro overnight camping lang. Yun, kasi nga, we have to go back. Oo, in Pampanga. Agad-agad. Pero na-enjoy naman namin yun tonight. Nakapag-relax. And it's nice to be back in Zambales.
Yes. So first time namin this year, be back in Zambales. Last year.
No, nag-Angeles campsite tayo, di ba?
Pala, Angeles Camp.
Nag-Angeles campsite
Diyan.
tayo. Yung daan pala papunta dito, parang papuntang parang yung way papuntang Mapanwepe.
Pero you have to book early kasi naka-gate yung
Oo, at
tapos
saka
susundin ka ng
susundin kayo sa gate ng resort ay ng campsite. Parang marami siya no? Maraming campsites. Hindi lang Pine
Pero
Lake.
ito Pine Lake, may iba dun. Pero kailangan mo mag-reserve para maka-avail ka ng steps.
Tapos for the price, nag-car camping kami.
1,000 per pack. So,
Oo, 1,000 per pax ng car camping. So tayo, ang binayaran natin is 1,800, no? 1,800 binayaran ko eh. Oo. Siguro I'm not sure kung basta yun, 1,800 ang binayaran namin for a group of kami, 2 adults, tapos yung isang kid, ito wala tong bayad. The tent pitching, ito yung sasakyan namin, nandito lang sa likod.
Shoutout eh.
Shoutout ka na. Say shoutout. Shoutout.
Shoutout eh.
Hey, come on.
Hi,
See you tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Hi mo si Tita Tite.
Hi, today.
Papa Gigi.
Hi, Jinjin. Hi.
About Tita Bikbik.
Hi, Mama.
About Ninang G.
How about
Oh.
Shoutout to our G members. Thank you. And also to all my coaches.
Yeah.
And all our coaches. Thank you. So, yun muna for tonight mga ka-adventure.
Yeah, see you next. See you on our next
Family camping adventure. Possible, we're going to Secret. Good night mga ka-adventure.
Say good night na dali. Say night na.
Bye.
What's your name? I'm Keke, ang batang
Bye-bye.
palibot.
You say you wanna come over tonight. Yeah, you wanna make up and make it right. When everybody's looking for something else they can do, we try to make it work this time. We have let go of our doubts. Let's make it matter, 'cause we will never ever come down. It looks like we made it. If your heart should break on the map of my mistakes, I'm here if you need me. Just keep on believing. If the sky should fall, I'll give you shelter through it all. You better believe it. I'm here if you need me, 'cause it's waiting there for you. We have to be bolder tonight. Yeah, we have to turn darkness into light. When everything we have done comes around, comes undone, we try to make it right this time. We just gotta make up our minds. Let's make it matter, 'cause we will never ever slow down. This time we will make it. If your heart should break on the map of my mistakes, I'm here if you need me. Just keep on believing. If the sky should fall,
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell button para updated kayo on our next family camping adventure. Happy camping! Ingat!
Cause we